just went by. That's right. Enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. Uh-oh. I hope that's the mailman. Oh, thank you. I've been waiting for this. Now, there's going to be some changes made. Meccano, the cat of tomorrow. No feeding, no fussing, no fur. Clean, efficient, dependable. Thomas! Oh, Thomas! Come in here and see what I've got. Thomas, meet Meccano. Mr. Meccano here is taking your job as mouse catcher. Are you through laughing, Tom? Then watch this. Is it okay if I laugh now, Tom? That's how it is, Tom. Progress. The machine age and stuff like that. But don't worry. Maybe you can find an old-fashioned house that needs an old-fashioned cat. That's my Meccano. No feeding, no fussing, and no fur. Just remember, all you have to do is keep that mouse out of the house. Isn't he cute?